styrofoam chrome moldings, M17, beautiful. That's the chrome moldings, and we have a outside corner to chrome moldings and inside corner for chrome molding. You could do it yourself project. You could glue with the mastic adhesive ceramic tile. So you will see, you take the molding, you take the corner and glue it yourself. You don't need no power saw. It's easy to work with. It's 4.27 inch long, and it's easy to paint it with the water-based paint only. And chrome molding long. That's how shape is. Nice, neat. You do it yourself. You turn upside down, apply the mastic, and after you apply to the ceiling, and easy to work. It's just feather, light feather. So it's outside corners for chrome moldings, and it's inside corner for chrome molding. M17, this one IK17, and this one OK17, and it's M17 molding styrofoam do-it-yourself project.